Yeah.
By the metal car, Sam. By the metal car.
Yeah, stand by the, hold the antenna.
Oh yeah? Same with a big metal object. Wow.
Why are you
It's
using
like
it
a
together?
freaking strobe light in the sky.
Well, I guess he's a tendril.
That is
Wow.
unbelievable.
Oh, the other thing they were showing about these attachments for your phones, for the
Whoa,
lenses.
whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah, dude.
No, I mean when it light that you can see the stars separate. Or am I seeing spots?
Spots. We got clouds, so you can't see.
No, I'm seeing something. Go
This is
inside, honey.
freaky.
No, no.
I've never seen weather like this before.
I've never seen this before, but I do know. Listen, you guys are seeing these spots?
Wow.
1, 2, 3. I just counted to 3. 1, 2, 3. You only counted 3.
Oh, it's static, huh?
Are you seeing it? It's not just me, right?
1,
What are you
2,
seeing?
3.
Spots?
Yeah, I haven't
1,
seen.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I could see a thunder
I
lightning.
saw the lightning there.
Yeah.
What is going on? I've never, like, seriously, it's like.
It's
All
getting
right,
closer.
inside. Come on.
Okay.
Why?